Good morning, Steve. Hey, you requested that I show you a video on how to change prices on the attributes and stuff so we can keep that the way it should be. So here it is. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to log into your admin like this. And what I like to do is I like to go out to the website when I'm wanting to make changes on a specific product. And I'll go into the shop products area where we can actually see the products. And, this one is a variable product, so I'll go ahead and click into the gummies as an example. And then, the beauty of being logged in is you'll always see this little black admin bar. And in the black admin bar, if you're in a product, it's going to say edit product. If you're in a page, it'll say edit page. You can also go ahead and do, new products, new pages from here, that kind of thing. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click on edit product. Now you'll see here it goes into the edit screen for the fruit gummies. So if I go down here, this is the big description. If I go down here, of course, you got the product image. But if you look at this product data, you'll see this is a variable product, meaning it has variations. You'll see there's also simple product, group product, and affiliates if you wanted to do an affiliate product and just have a link like to Amazon or whatever. But anyway, it's a variable product, so it's set that way. So if you go into attributes, you'll see that I've made a select strength and a select size. If you look at both of those, you'll see that there's a 50 milligram and 125 milligram, and then on the size there is 5 gummies and 10 gummies. So basically you've got 4 variations. Now if you go in here to variations, you'll see it builds 4 different products, the 50 milligram 5, 50 milligram 10, 125 milligram 5, and 125 milligram 10. So but this is where you're going to do your editing of the specific variations. So basically you click into variations, you're going to see them here. You're going to click on the down area. It's going to open up a menu here, and you've got your SKU or your product code. You've got your regular price, you've got your sell price, and then you can go ahead and schedule like a sell if you wanted to. So you could schedule dates and times in there. Just kind of show you how that works. Start date, end date. You can make it out of stock or in stock. If we were using, like shipping with UPS, FedEx, that kind of thing with actual weights and dimensions, we'd put the weight and dimensions in here. And then, if you wanted to do a tax class on it, if we needed to charge a special tax or something like that, we could make the tax classes and assign specific products to those tax classes. Don't concern yourself with that. It's usually not used. So anyway, and then if you want to do a short description of that variation, you can go ahead and put that in there. Now you'll see if you click the down arrow on the 50 milligram 10, then we're here. You can change your SKU, you can change your price, you can put a sell price and make that a sell. Schedule it if you want to, just the same as the one before. Now, when you're finished with all of this, you're going to go ahead and click on the Save Changes. And then always before you exit the page, you're going to go ahead and click on Update. And that will update that, and any changes that you made in those variations will now be saved and will now be available on the product here. All right, so you'll see, if I change that to let's say a 50 milligram 5 gummy, that's what comes up. 125 milligram 10, that's what comes up. And the reason for that, again, I'll edit product. And I'll go down here to variations. And on these variations, you'll see that's the image of the product. So I've uploaded a separate image for each one of the variations. So that's how that works. I hope that makes that clear, and so that you can make changes to it and easily do your thing. Another thing I wanted to show you real quick while I'm in here is coupons. So basically, if you go to WooCommerce, mouse over it, a submenu will come out. You click on coupons. You'll see that you can add a coupon here. I've already got a coupon for veterans, and if you click on edit, I'll just show you how I built this coupon. So basically what I did here is thanks for your service is what they enter to get the coupon discount. It's a percentage discount of 15%. You'll see you can do flat rates and things like that as well. Then there's a bunch of different settings, so you can do expire times, max discount amounts. There's quite a few things you can do that way. Usage restrictions, minimum spend, maximum spend. You can say one-time use only. You see that I've made it available for the product category CBD oil products, and then I've excluded the other categories. No restriction on emails and usage limits if you only wanted to be able to have them use it one time, etc. And then you can also add things to the cart based on what's based on the coupon that's used. So anyway, as always, you make changes in here, you click update, and that coupon will be in play. Now, I know that you mentioned about hooking up the menu a couple times. So you'll see here that if you go to Appearance and then Menus, then you'll see the different menus. So, there's different menus here. You got the main menu, you got information, the company, top secondary menu. So, be careful what you do with this, because it changes things. So, if we go to the main menu and select it, you'll see here we have the main menu. So if you wanted to add a page to that, for example, you can see all your pages here. So let's go to your location. Let's just do this cornerstone page that you talked about. So basically you're going to select it, you're going to click add to menu. Then you're going to come up here and you can place it anywhere you want, make it a sub of this or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and put it right there, and you can change that if you want to. But again, like we always do, save menu. And now that page is actually in the menu. Let's see, what else is there to show you here? I think of all the pages and stuff like that. So anyway, I really think that's all you need to know now. If you need to know more, let me know and I can make you more videos. I hope you have a great day, Steve.